Marie,
What?
what are you eating?
This.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is it a cracklin?
No.
Huh? Is it
I
good?
put my flip-flop right here.
You did?
And let me get to the party. Let me put it on.
Yeah.
And find the puppies.
Find the puppies at the party?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to do with them?
I gotta run and they're gonna run and they're gonna not catch me.
They won't catch you? Are
Yeah.
you that fast, Marie? You're that fast? What are you going to do at the party? Swim?
If you hurry, you're gonna bump the truck.
Mommy's not going to bump the truck. You're not supposed to bump trucks out the way.
Yeah, if you have to.
We have to what? Okay, bye guys. Bye guys. Tell everybody bye. Finish your crack.